Hello there, this is Teacher Rachel and welcome to the channel. It's A Plus Tutor. Today, I'm recording this to say thank you to those who subscribe to the channel. The word thank you is an understatement. You just don't know how I really appreciate you liking and leaving a comment there and subscribing to my channel. My channel isn't really that big, I'm just starting and I don't really know how to, to increase more viewers or followers or subscribers, but I'm really grateful for all the new subscribers, to the new likes, and to the new friends that I am gaining now. I really appreciate your kindness. Thank you very much. So I hope we stay connected. I hope we support each other, and good luck to all your vlogs. I hope I could vlog more. But I'm too busy sometimes. Maybe all the time I'm busy, but I will try my best to upload more videos. Anything, maybe about the class or my everyday life, about being a teacher mom, about being a single mom, or whatever, being a mother to my children and a teacher and tutor to my students. So thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate you. Let's all be friends. Thank you. And again, if you're looking for tutors, don't forget to contact us at A Plus Tutorial Center or RBA Plus Rach Reading and Tutorial Services. We have our Facebook page. You can search me on Facebook, and we also have our Instagram account. You can look for me on Instagram and follow me there. It's A Plus Tutor 15, APLUSTUTOR15. So thank you again for my new subscribers. Thank you very much. I cannot really mention all of you here, but soon I will try to mention everybody, all my 290 subscribers. I'm happy. I hope I could reach 300 before the year ends. I was hoping for more, but it's not really easy to gain subscribers nowadays, so I don't know. But I'm really grateful for all of your help and for your comments. It really makes my heart melt. It makes my heart warm, and it makes me really happy. And I also enjoy watching your vlogs, people. I watch them. Okay, I leave a comment every time I see new vlogs. To those who follows me or subscribe to my channel, I watch your vlogs. Okay, I really enjoy them, and I hope one of these days we get to know more. Okay, thank you very much, and God bless you all. Okay, see ya. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, it's A Plus Tutor. See ya, guys. Bye bye. I'll mention you next time. I'll make a list of those YouTube channels that are subscribing to me and to my new subscribers. Thank you very much. Bye. Thank you.